Aloha guys, in this video we will be covering the sand replenishment project at Waikiki Beach, as well as Oahu has recently moved into Tier 3 and what that means for you when coming to Hawaii. If you're new to our channel, my name is Devon and we create informative travel videos to help you get the most out of your vacation. We've lived in Oahu for just about 3 years and we've created over 100 videos on everything Hawaii, from best beaches, where to get the best foods, where to stay, and so much more. If this is the kind of content you're looking for, be sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. This way you're notified when we post our next video. We're kicking things off at Waikiki Beach, more specifically Kuhio Beach, which is a part of Waikiki Beach. As you may or may not know, Waikiki Beach continues to erode. So as of Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021, another project to replenish sand has started. They are using hydraulic dredging and pumping of more than 20,000 cubic yards of sand offshore onto Waikiki Beach. The last time this was done was in 2012, which brought 24,000 cubic yards to the beach. This needs to be done every 5 to 10 years. Kuhio Beach and Royal Hawaiian Beach will have partial closures over the next 3 to 4 months during weekdays for offshore dredging and pumping of the sand. The estimated cost for this project is $3 to $4 million. And now on to some really good news. Honolulu have moved into Tier 3 of the COVID reopening protocols, which will ease the restrictions on gathering sizes, retailers, and gyms. This move to Tier 3 is due to COVID cases on the decline and the positivity rate being low. Here's how these changes to Tier 3 will affect you. Social gatherings can have up to 10 people, up from 5. Your party at a restaurant can also have up to 10 people. Retailers will be able to operate without a capacity restriction, up from 50%. Gyms can have up to 50% capacity, from 25%. And finally, 25 people can attend funerals, up from 10. So I just wanted to put together this short video for you guys to keep you updated on everything Hawaii. If you are planning on coming, you can be aware of the changes. And as usual, mahalo for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to turn on the bell notification. This way you know when we post our next video. Just be out with us.